Hello, my friends. If you watched my video from yesterday, I don't know if I'll upload this today or not, but the black background ribbon pour I did. I had leftover paints, and so I'm going to do another one today using up those paints, but this time I'm going to do white background. I don't think I'll like it as much because the black is so dramatic, but when you use a black background, the colors do tend to darken somewhat. And with the white, they should remain nice and bright. So who knows? Might like this. Could be considered a companion piece. Looks like I mixed up about the same amount. Maybe a little more. When I did the black, I was concerned that I didn't have enough base coat, but I did. It worked out. But I do think I mixed a bit more white. We shall see. Okay, so tilt around a little bit. Oh yeah. Now I did, they're all the same colors, except I mixed up the cup that I had poured the ribbons with in the Cool, mixed them all together, and came up with this lovely lavender color. So I'm going to use that. In fact, that'll be the cup that I pour the rest of the colors into. Let's see. I don't recall if I think I did the Cool first last time. Should I do that again? Or, yeah, well, I will, because I want to compare the difference. So anyway, I'm pouring first right into this lavender cup. I'll take the, I did it again. I added my base coat before I filled up the cup. But you can still see this. They have been sitting overnight uncovered, so they may have thickened up a little bit, but that's not a bad idea, I think, with a ribbon pour. Go a little thicker. So if you missed yesterday's video, I will link it up above. And as always, my recipe and ratios, all the details are down below in the description box. Green. Okay. Alrighty. And here we go. Okay. Not terribly exciting, but it's still pretty. This one, I think I'll put the orange between red and the yellow because they made that color. I might do a couple layers with this one. Magenta, orange, yellow, the rest of the magenta, there's the orange, and some of the yellow. I have a lot of it. I don't want it to take over. Okay. And here we go. Magenta. Wasn't much in there. Okay. Here's what we got so far. It's just such a happy technique, the ribbon pour. It just makes me smile. Yeah, I had more white this time. It's sure making the tilting easier. And the sides will be pretty. There, back. Huh. Fun. Look at that luscious side there. Can you see that? It's great. Alrighty. Now I'm just playing with composition. I like it a lot. Oh gosh, I love where the orange meets the blue. Really pops on there, the complementary colors. I like it, my friends. Ooh. I like it in the orientation I'm looking at now. Until it's dry and you know, look at it hanging up perhaps in all the different orientations, it's hard to decide, but I think I like the one you're looking at now at this point. Oh, it's pretty. I like it. Let me bring you in for a closer look. I just love the dimension you get with a ribbon pour. Isn't that fun? And over here, that orange on top of the blue is exciting. And the yellow and red, kind of. Oh, it's more orange than red, but it's magenta is in there a little bit. Oh yeah, I like this one. Little tiny cells. That's cute. I think it's a winner, my friends. Oh gosh, are you out of... I think my camera was not set properly. Kind of chopped off the bottom there. There we go. There's the whole thing. Okay, my friends, thanks for watching. See you next time.